2011, and happy trading to you all. Right here we are looking at the Euro USD, the indicator of the market. Okay, and this is the weekly chart of the Euro USD currency pair. If you look carefully on this chart, you'll see that the euro went down, okay, and then went up to this level here. But there is a support level here that has been broken before, where we are now. This zone where the euro is at the moment in the region of 135.00, 135.00. That's where the euro is now. I'm drawing my horizontal line there, and I want to draw your attention to this support level here. Has been broken. Okay, this is a very important level on this chart. If you look carefully here on this weekly chart, where I draw my horizontal line in the region of 135.00, and the euro break that level before and went above it, okay, only to come back below it. Okay, and when the price turning around like this, going breaking its resistance level and then returning back below it is a bearish attitude. Okay, and then the market decided to retest that level. Okay, so it break it above it and then return back below it. Now it's retesting it. Okay, that's where we are today on the 21st of January 2011. Okay, so we are in a hotspot trading zone. Okay, a key support level or resistance level that has been broken before is the support level because of this level here. You can see that the price went above it, retest it here with on a weekly chart, and then zoom to the upside. Okay, it's a very important level. Okay, so here again the price came down, okay, trying to find a support here, and this time the price failed to find a support. Right here it was a support level. Here that support level has failed. Okay, but the market did not forget that level, but the price, as the price went below it, okay, you see it came back and retested here on that particular day, but break above it, okay, for a while, only to come back down below it again. Now it's retesting again the same level, okay, 135.00, very important level. That's where we are now on this weekly chart of the Euro USD. We will watch carefully here. Right now we are more bearish towards the Euro USD than bullish. Okay, so we will watch carefully this zone. We do not assume anything. We'll use the TSTW24 trading system, the TSTW SYS 08 trading system to give us a clear-cut signal to participate in the direction of the price. Okay, so this is about the Euro USD, a quick review of the Euro USD. When we look again on the 4-hour chart, what we have seen last week, we have a double top beginning of the year 2011, double top. The price went down. That level has been tested here. Okay, price went down a bit, but it went above it. That's what we were showing you yesterday. And for one reason or another, the euro survived the bearish pressure yesterday and went again up. Okay, but still we need to watch carefully this zone. Why the price is consolidating in the zone, okay, after a breakout. Okay, there's a kind of consolidation going on here. We will monitor carefully that activity. Okay, as always, if you want to sell, what we are saying to traders is that if you receive a signal to sell, okay, the best place to sell is at the edge of the Bollinger Band 50 volatility 2. It does not mean that when the price is rising, okay, very important point, when the price is rising, the only time that we sell in the uptrend, okay, is when we receive a single red signal or a double red signal. I repeat, the only time that we sell in the uptrend is when we receive a single red signal or a double red signal, or the trend line is broken, or we hit a very important resistance level and we see a weakness in the price. Okay, this is very important because some traders find it difficult to understand that if the price is going up, which means this is what people are doing because they draw the trend line. Okay, some traders find it difficult to understand that. So you draw the trend line, you see that the price is above the trend line. Okay, even though some professional trader also find that difficult. The price above the trend line, the price can be above a trend line and experience a weakness. Okay, so the price is going up first, so the price above the trend line, okay, the trend is up, yes, but is the trend weakening? Is the trend still strong? That's the question you have to ask yourself. It's not because the price is above the trend line, therefore is 100% bullish. Okay, the price can be above the trend line for some time, but then start experiencing some weaknesses. If you see a weaknesses, you have a clear-cut signal to sell, you will sell. But some traders find it difficult. They will say that the price is above the trend line. You cannot sell. Yes, you cannot sell. But if the price is experiencing weaknesses right here, as you can see, the price was above the trend line, okay, but it was experiencing a weakness. You look at this, people were selling here. There's a weakness going on here. Something's telling them that the price is having some problem here because of a resistance level. So if the price can be above a trend line, when the price hit a resistance zone and is experiencing a weaknesses, we will of course looking for opportunity to sell. Here again, the price is above a trend line, okay, but we are again at a very important resistance level. We can perfectly be looking for opportunity to sell, even though on that particular time frame the price is above the trend line. Okay, again here this is the problem a lot of traders face. The price is above a trend line, okay, again here, but some people sold it, okay, because you look at this wick here, okay, this candle here, this zone here, it's a weak, it's a resistance zone, because the price went there, they sold it down. There's a resistance zone, so people did not forget that. When the price return to the same zone, people are watching what the price will do. So they see a weakness, they start selling. You see, they were selling, okay, you see on this weekly chart. But you will enter the trade, like I say, on a short-term time frame. That's what I'm saying. But this is about the TSDW SYS08, okay. So even though the price was in above the trend line, people notice that there is a weakness in the trend and they start selling, okay. Again here, if we draw a trend line like this or whatever, or we draw it like this, this time, okay, the price was here, okay, people notice that there's the problem because of this resistance zone here. On this chart you see there was a resistance here. So what we can say that when the price is above the trend line and it's in a resistance zone and we see a weakness in the price, we can perfectly be looking for opportunity to sell, okay. So do not think that because the price is above a trend line then it's perfectly bullish. No, the price can be above a trend line in experiencing weaknesses. Therefore, we can perfectly be looking for opportunity to sell. On the other hand, if the price is below the trend line, some traders think that it's below the trend line, so you must keep selling. And they get into trouble because they are selling too late, or the price starts strengthening and they get into trouble. So what we are looking for is to see either a strength when the price is below the trend line, but we are seeing a strength in the bullish momentum, okay. So we can perfectly be looking for opportunity to buy. The reason why people don't buy is because the price still below the trend line, but you can step aside, okay. So even if you see the price below the trend line is strengthening, you can step aside and wait for the price itself to break the trend line first before you take direction, okay. But if you are in a very important resistance level, this is what I'm talking about, the strategy that we want to adopt, okay. Some traders are aggressive traders, they may enter the trade with a tiny stop loss, okay. This is what they are doing at the key levels. They don't mind being taken out. If you are that type of trader, it's up to you what you want to do. You decide what you want to do, okay. So this is regarding the Euro USD currency pair. I hope you enjoyed this video. We are more bearish towards the Euro, more bearish towards the Dow Jones. It does not mean that the Dow Jones and the Euro will definitely go go down, we will watch carefully because we are in a very key important level. For the Dow Jones, we are in the region of 76% Fibonacci retracement level. For the euro, we are at a very important resistance level in the region of 135.00. We'll monitor carefully, okay, all the activity of the euro USD in order to participate in the direction of the price. I hope you enjoyed this video also, that you will put it into practice, okay, in order to cream the market consistently. Thank you for watching, and speak to you soon.